heading to Hallstatt. Dream come true to visit Hallstatt.
Raindrop on the blacktop, hot stop, feeling like a robot. Swipe left, scroll down, same chick, but you're living in a new town. Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but
The
you got no
UNESCO
taste.
World Heritage Sites are places of importance to cultural or natural heritage. Hallstatt is one in the list of World Heritage Sites in Austria. Hello guys, we're now in Hallstatt. As you can see, ang daming mga Chinese dito. Busy! Ang ganda ng lugar. Very nice. Although the weather is not really good, but it's okay. Hallstatt has a unique culture with such a history, all in a breathtaking mountain setting. And this is the top attraction here, the Hallstatt Skywalk. The village Hallstatt is such an unbelievably spectacular place that even the Chinese have created a copy of the ancient salt mine village. No wonder why this place is full of Chinese people. Hello guys, roaming around Hallstatt. Ang ganda dito, as in, very nice.
I'm gonna find me that one in a million.
Souvenir area. Hallstatt, Austria. That's nice bag. This bag has a beautiful print. Nice. T-shirts. Magnets. I love this top toy bag. They have everything here. Wow. You just need money because it's a bit expensive here in Hallstatt. And now let's visit the old town. But before you reach the old town, you can see all these things along the way. And we are now in Central Square Marktplatz. You can see here how unique this small village is. So guys, what a beautiful small city of Hallstatt. Ay, pa-picture yung isa doon. Posing talaga siya. This is the national dress of Austria. For ladies, they call this dirndl. And now we will try the food here in Hallstatt. We're going to visit the Gasthof Simony restaurant am See. They have this beautiful garden where you can sit and eat with this wonderful view. But because it's raining, we decided to eat inside the restaurant. Hallo!
Hallo, Christine. Dein Weg, das ist schön.
Ja, genau. Guys! We're going to eat.
Dankeschön.
Dankeschön. So ein Bier bestellt.
Jetzt sieht man gut, aber fast. Ja, das hat sie jetzt hier gewusst, ja, ich bin Mann. Nur sicher Bier.
Sie haben so gegeben, wir haben noch nicht bestellt.
Ja, ich denke, das wäre gut da.
Oder vielleicht gratis.
Du das, aber
Ich glaube, die Bats.
Ja?
Ah, ja. Was willst du? Spirits, genau. Okay. Ich auch. Order tayo ng isa niyan, tapos order tayo ng iba.
May rib sa akin ha. Happy naman tayo.
Okay. Good. You like fish?
Oh my God.
Gusto mo fish?
Hindi rin.
Oo,
Ano
sige,
sa'yo?
mag-fish.
Ano
Isang
sa'yo?
fish. Fish and rice. Ribs and wedges. But goulash and noodle.
Gibt es in den Scheiben auch.
Ach so. Yeah, oo. Yun lang yan. Lunch is done, so we're going to continue. Very nice view here from the garden of the restaurant. And here's the Lutheran Church in Hallstatt. Here you can do sightseeing, walking. You can rent a boat to do water activities. You can also do hiking. This is a very nice house. I don't know if this is a house or a hotel.
can't take it no more. I try to stay, but my heart is so sore.
Everywhere,
Breaking,
taking
it's breaking, it's
pictures,
breaking, goes
making
low. When I try to fix
selfies.
it, it gets broke some more. Stay away from me,
This
can't
is the
see you
old
today. I'm so
town,
sick and tired of
the
feeling this way.
second
When
among
you
the
come
top
around me, don't know what to
attractions
say.
in
So
Hallstatt.
turn the lights out. Only come around when the sun's down. Never stick around when it's light out. I don't wanna leave you alone. Fights now. All you wanna do with me is fight now. Saying that I'm wrong, but I'm right now. Made me wanna be on my own.
We are approaching to the viewpoint where you can see the perfect view of Hallstatt. Here you can take a perfect picture, perfect selfie with this amazing view.
Am I the issue? I'm the original. Cute face, but you got no taste. Wouldn't trade it for its weight in gold. One of these days,
Hallstatt is the archaeological heart of the world's heritage region and is home to the world's oldest salt mines. You can't have enough in this place. Everything is wonderful.
love me right.
Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoy.
I die before I try to reason with the devil.